Hey guys, welcome back to our repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we have a locked up air conditioning compressor here. The thing is not turning at all. It was smoking the serpentine belt. You can see when I catch the front side, okay, of the clutch, nothing moves inside the compressor. So we're going to diagnose it, see what caused that, see if we can fix a locked up AC compressor. So let's start on it now. First we'll need to remove that bolt right here. Most of the times it's a small nut, bolt 8 or 10 millimeter depending. Okay, which one you have? And this one's pretty tight for being so little, to be honest with you. Okay, so you can just gently hit it a little bit. Okay, it got loose now. And most likely this bolt will turn very hard, and this is because sometimes they'll have thread lock. The purpose of that is so it doesn't get loose from vibrations. Okay, you can see that blue thing, that's thread lock around the bolt. Okay, now this is the top part of the clutch, okay, right here. You can see this is the clutch. And ours smells completely burnt. So you can see after that there is one, well, kill me, I cannot think of that name now, lock ring right here that we need to spread out to pull it out. And this could be very guys dangerous, so always wear eye protection because those are spring loaded, it might fly. We have all the tools we use in the description of the video below, so please feel free to check it out. Always hold your hand so it doesn't fly in your eyes. Okay, right there. Now this one could be a little bit stuck. Okay, you kind of like pull it out. Okay, you can see, and this is now the two components of the clutch. Okay, now this is the coil right here that activates the clutch. This coil, okay, could be removed by removing that lock ring inside as well. You can see just the same thing that we had there. So let's see if we can reach with those pliers there now. Okay, we remove that one as well. And okay, you can see it right there. So this is, guys, the whole component right here. You have the clutch, the pulley, the bearing, and the coil itself. So we're going to start removing the bolts that hold the body together. Okay, you can see it's pretty long bolt. It's important from that point on not to get them contaminated with dust or anything like that. Okay, this one is out. Okay, let's do the rest of them. We'll see this one, I don't know if it's holding for sure, because it's a 10 millimeter. Okay, let's just go ahead and remove this one in case. Or it's a short one. Well, this one actually we don't need to remove it. We can go ahead and install it. Okay, next, first I'll recommend using gloves. Always use gloves, guys, because that's oil. You don't want that thing on your fingers. You can see it's made in Portugal, even though it's Ford, American Ford. So what's cool about it, that one compressor will be used on many vehicles, and the design on all of them, it's almost about the same. Okay, so now we can gently, okay, pull it out. We leak the oil out now. Okay, and see why ours is locked up still. Okay, so we can pull actually that plate up now. Still trying to figure out why the compressor is locked up. So you have to be very careful how you disassemble it here, not to damage the gasket. So we can gently, okay, this is a gasket here too, so very careful with all those components. Okay, and we just pulled it out. So you can see, guys, okay, that thing fell off. That's what caused the compressor to be locked up. You can see all of those, okay, have one of those little bearing balls, half balls, whatever they're called, on top and one on bottom, and this one fell off of this one. You can see how this one is here. Okay, check out this one right here. It's empty and it's right here, so we can just go ahead and pull it out. So now we need to figure out a way to install it there. So I'll go ahead and try to pull all of them out. Now it will be a big mess, because what we need to do now, okay, I need to remove that guy, that piston here, install the little thing on the top, a little thing on the bottom, and put it back in at the same time. Okay, so that will take a little bit of time, guys. Okay, once I get it going, I'll definitely show you, okay, what we did. And now I just fixed one and I dropped another one. So the same thing we need to do here. Okay guys, so we got that ball bearing in. Now we're trying to get all the cylinders inside, and one of them just fell out. So we need to start again. Okay, this one right here. Okay guys, so you can see we're getting them in, almost in. Okay, you just need to go a little bit on each side. Okay, let's see how that's going to work now for us. Okay, if we press here, it should lock somewhere. Okay, like that. It will be gas pushing it on this side, and once you have enough pressure, this one will engage and you will start spinning them like that. And again, gas will push it up and the compressor will start pumping even more pressure. That will be the high pressure hose. Low pressure will go right here. High pressure should go on the other side. So since the pistons are in, we're going to put everything back together in reverse order we took apart. We have to wipe everything down, make sure there is absolutely no contamination, dust, hair or anything like that. And later we'll need to recharge the system with oil as well. That way we can, you can see on the compressor it says 150 cc of PAG oil. That's the oil that we'll need to be using. And stay with us to see if it's going to work again. Alright guys, so we put it together, we installed it on the car now, and okay, you can see the clutch is down there. Okay, it's spinning, this one down there. So the compressor has been working. Okay, let's check the temperature inside now. It's very hot day today, so that will be a good day to see if everything's fine. Outside, 97 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. Okay, let's see what we are going to get through the van. We have it set on low. 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, let me switch to Fahrenheit. Okay, you can see we keep dropping even more. At 97 degree weather, okay, with sunshine right now, and you can see the compressor will drop to close to 30 degrees, even more, keep dropping, because I just started the car. Check it out, that's freezing cold. That's Fahrenheit. Celsius is -2, so definitely works, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you next time.